And you're just going to finish that. Just get that off. Yeah, you can do it. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your colors and really just put them anywhere you want. It's totally okay to just get messy. Then we're going on to the blue color. And it's okay if it's runny, it's fine. Okay. And then you're going to use your toothpick or whatever you use to start. And I think I'm just going to go in a regular moving way. I'm going to do that the same way over here. I'm just going to go up and down. Try not to stir it too much to where it almost looks brown, because you don't really want that much. Just going to put that in there. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of paper, or two if you like, and we're just going to take that, and then you're just going to lay it flat over it, and then you're going to press it down to where you start seeing the design right here, but make sure that you remember that you're dealing with shaving cream, so it could easily smudge or mess up. So just make sure, do it lightly, and then you'll start to see your design really come out. Make sure that you get against the edges if you can. Get there. And then you're slowly just going to lift it up, and then you're going to see your pretty colors all mixed together. Doesn't that just look cool? Yep. So just take it, and then you're just going to leave it to sit. And as you can see the resemblance from these two, not that different. Just pretty colors all mixed together. Okay. And then you're going to let that sit for a little bit. You could do something, do your homework or whatever. But make sure that you have this close by, your little spatula, or you can use a scraper if you like. Okay. So once that has set by a little bit, all you're going to do is just going to scrape it, and then you'll see that on a little spatula. And you can use your plate if you'd like, and just scrape it off of your plate. Because again, all it is shaving cream. It's not going to hurt you. Then just keep on doing that. Make sure that there are really no wrinkles, because that could kind of mess up your little look that you were going for. Okay, and then again you just let that sit, and we're going to move on to my other pre-made one. And you might need a little cleanup right there, but that's okay. Here's my other one that I did not too long ago. Okay, so what you're going to do is you could just use your scissors and cut it in any way you'd like. And if you'd like to kind of make a template, if you want, then you could do that as well. But you have to put it on your plate first before you actually put the actual paper, and then you could come out as something that you like. Or you could just get creative and just cut it out yourself once it's done drying. So I think what I'm going to go for is a heart. But first, what you need to do is you need to make sure that you cut out the shape that it's in. And then you could kind of start. See, so it's a circle, so can't be that big. And you can always use like a metal pan or a plastic pan, just whatever size you want. Or you can even use glass plate. You're just going to cut that out. And then there you go. So you can always hang this up in your room, or you can write something on it, or just really whatever you want. Just make sure that this is dry before you cut it, or else, well, it won't be too easy. And then you're always going to make sure that you wipe your hands, wipe your surface. So let's make the heart. As you can see, it's like really detailed, and it might smudge a little bit, but really doesn't matter because it won't look too different. Just make sure that you're cutting it, not too hard, or else it could rip because it's really wet, so just be cautious. And so, as I said before, if you're not that good of a perfect cutter, then you could always just use a template. Or you could always make your own if you'd like, or ask someone to help you with it. Okay, so mine's not too dry right now, but, just make sure it's dry. So, that's it. That's how you make your Turkish paper marbling.